First of all, make sure to find your GTA 5 installation files. So if you are running or playing GTA 5 on your Epic Games Launcher, then make sure to head over to your Epic Games library and then click on the three buttons or three dots at your GTA 5 and then click on Manage, and then you should see right next to your uninstallation button icon where you can open your installation folder. Or if you're using Steam, then just works very similarly. Just in your library, right-click on your GTA 5 and click on Properties and then change over to Local Files. And there should also be an option to open your installation files. And then when you found it, I'm just going to open it real quick for you as well. Perfect. And then when you found it, this should look something like this with all of these folders and files in it. And then make sure to find this GTA5.exe application file with about 60 megabytes. Just right-click on it, select it, right-click on it, and click on Properties. And then we're going to change over to the Compatibility tab, where we have to set a few settings. First of all, I would suggest you to run this program in compatibility mode check the setting here, and then Windows 8 is perfectly fine. And also down here at the settings, I would suggest you to disable the full screen optimizations and to run this program as an administrator every time you launch it. Makes awesome sense in my opinion. And then just click on Apply. And if you're playing GTA on 2 or more users, this button here maybe makes sense to you. But for the most, just click on OK. And we can already close this and run our GTA 5 again, and the issue of GTA 5 stopped working should be fixed. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.